How to schedule a YouTube premiere. To schedule a YouTube premiere, first of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the YouTube Studio website from your desktop's web browser. Because this feature is not yet available from the mobile device, you simply have to access it from your desktop. Once you open the YouTube Studio on your desktop, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the upload icon. From there, select your pre-recorded video file, then complete the details by filling out your title, description, and as well as thumbnail. Once you're done, now you simply have to go ahead and then click on the Final Visibility tab. From there, under the Publishing options, select the Schedule Radio button and then set the date and time, and also make sure to check the box labeled as Set as Premiere. Now you simply have to go ahead and set a Premiere text link directly below the checkbox to open the customization layout. From there you can select countdown length, countdown theme, and attach a trailer. Now you simply have to save it and finalize it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.